Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, we are here with another wonderful and delicious recipe. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you for tuning in and you are highly welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this delicious banga soup, which is also known as palm nut soup. If you want to see how I prepare this soup, stay tuned and let's get started. And if you are still watching us, you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button and the notification bell, turn it to all for more updates. Thank you. Welcome back, beautiful lover. Here I have my wash pot and we'll go ahead to open our palm nut cream. I love this marker, this Ghanafood. This is my favorite, and unless I did not find this in any Africa store, then I will try other products, but my favorite is this one, this Ghanafood. So I pour everything into my wash pot and I will take it to the fire or gas for just 2 to 3 minutes, and we'll go ahead with the rest ingredients. I have my beef meat and I also have my ishaki is cooking. I want to cook it a little bit before I add everything. And I have my crayfish, my dry crayfish. I have dry fish as well. I have onions and scotch bonnet pepper, and this white one is the banga spicy that will give you that flavor of banga. I also have Maggi cube and salt. Here is the ishaki. I will add the beef because I were cooking it earlier, I told you, that's why. Then I add my frozen onions. Yeah, I used it earlier and I could not finish it and I keep it. I also add some bouillon cube, which is Maggi cube, and I add salt. Then I will boil it till the meat gets done. And here I will add my banga because the meat is cooked. Yeah, I will show you the reason why it is very good to make your banga this way. Can you see those black things under the pot? Oh my goodness, if you pour everything into your pot like that, that means you are going to eat those things from broken palm nuts. And here is the onions and the scotch bonnet pepper, which I showed you earlier. I've already blended it. I will add it into the pot. This is a very fast and easy soup, but so delicious. Is very good. Then after adding it, I'm going to stir it together, and as we are doing that, let me not forget to say a very big thank you to my old and new subscriber. Thank you all for the support, for the love. I do really appreciate it. And then I add my blended crayfish. I will also stir everything together. We are going to make it step by step, so easy. Just keep on watching this video and I know you will love it. And if you are new to my channel, I told you, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are highly appreciated. And that is it. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to my channel and put on the notification bell to all for more updates. And I add all the dry fish. You can see what came out from those fish. Oh my goodness. I add the microfish as well. So easy. But I tell you, we enjoy this soup like never before. I add my Maggi cube. I add salt. That is it. If you enjoy this video at last, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Like the video. I will go ahead and pour the last ingredients, which is the star of this soup, this white spicy. And there is other one, but I could not find it the day I make this soup, so I decided to use this one because I really want to eat banga soup that day. So, and it came out so perfect, like beautiful and delicious. And like the video, share it to friends and family, and Do all the good stuff, and you are well appreciated, and God bless you. And I'll allow you to enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to demolish this soup with my pando. It can also go with starch as well. It goes for many things. You can also use it for rice. So guys, I would love to see you all in my next video. Stay safe and bye.